in the same folder. In the same folder, some Java files, some class files not recommended. Generally, we will not be developing multiple type of the files in the same location. In the same location, developing multiple type of the files very discouraged. In a project, there may be 20-30 folders. In one folder, Java files. In one folder, class files. In one folder, HTML files. In one folder, JavaScript files. In one folder, images. In one folder, CSS files. In one folder, property files. Likewise, there may be 20-30 folders will be available. So clearly organized way. Project means thousands together files. Not one file, 10 files or 20 files. There may be 10,000 files also in one project. You should not get a confusion, messing up. If all files, that too, multiple types of the files in one folder, definitely lot of confusion. To avoid that confusion, it is always advisable to choose different folders for different files. Folder creation not expensive. Folder creation not expensive. If folder creation not expensive, then what is the need of dumping all multiple types of the files in one folder? Even while collecting garbage also, there will be two boxes. Dry garbage in one place, wet garbage in another place. In order to organize the vast development, more files, you required multiple folders. Choose one folder for one type of the files. Now, in our November batch folder, whatever Hello World programs we develop, containing both Java files and class files, containing both Java files and class files, both Java files and class files. Select all and remove. We don't want this type of development. All are Hello World only. You don't require to bother on removing it. Just to select all and remove. We don't want this type of development. Let us create two folders, one for Java, one for class. One for Java files, one for class files. Java files, everybody, we are only developing. Java files, we are only developing. Whatever we develop in the project, that is called as a source. Whatever we develop in the project, that is called as a source. Source can be represented through SRC in the short way. In the short format, source can be represented through SRC. It is a plural. Multiple Java files also we can keep in the SRC. Meaning will be remains the same because of source stands a plural. It is not a singular. SRC, source. SRC stands for source. Source is a plural. Even though multiple Java files we are developing, you can go for source only. That source can be represented through SRC. Generally, industry convention is SRC for Java files. Come to the next one. classes. All lower cases, all lower cases, classes, classes. All lower cases. Class is a singular, multiple classes. You required a folder with a name as classes. Meaningfully, one class means it's a single. Source means multiple. That is why SRC, not SRCS. In case of class, class is a singular. Go for a folder with a name as classes to keep multiple class files. Yesterday we developed 7 Java files, we got 7 class files. So today also definitely we'll be developing 10 or 15 Java files. You'll be getting same number of class files, multiple class files. Choose a folder with the name as classes. Classes is a plural. And don't go for any uppercase alphabet. Don't go for any uppercase alphabet. SRC and classes. SRC and classes. Inside SRC, try developing Java file. Ask to Java C command to generate a class file in the classes folder. We should not copy class file from SRC to classes folder. We should not copy class file from SRC to classes. SRC to classes. So please observe. We need to tell to Java C command. We need to guide to Java C command. We need to instruct to Java C command. Your class file, don't keep in my SRC. Your class file should be kept in a separate folder which I have created for you. Classes folder is for Java C command. SRC is for developer. We have to develop Java file in the SRC. We had to develop Java file in the SRC. We had to ask to Java C command to develop a class file in the classes folder. Go inside SRC. Let's compose one simple Hello World program. Open edit please. Open edit please. File new Java. File new Java. You can choose any class name. We can choose any class name. Yesterday we have seen hello, hello 1, hello 2, hello 3. It's only for practice purpose. We choose the class names like that. You can also choose a class name as a B, C, D. Single letter class names are not recommended, but while learning, we require to develop several classes. We cannot find several names, but we can find alphabets A to Z. Then from Z onwards, Z1, Z2, Z3, even A1, A2, A3. While developing projects, we won't follow this convention. While learning, lot of classes we need to develop. For every class, if we are keep on choosing a word, it may be difficult for us. After 20 words, 50 words, 60 words, we may not be getting a words. That is why only in the learning we can choose like this. Initial 1 or 2 months, I'll be choosing this format. Afterwards, we'll see real names. In the industry, whatever names choosing, those names I'll be choosing. Now, Choose a class name A. Keep A in the uppercase. Keep A in the uppercase. Save it. Control S. First and foremost one, location should be November batch SRC. Location should be November batch SRC. November batch SRC. Go to the November batch DEV. Go to SRC. November batch SRC. Choose the file name as a class name. Choose the file name as a class name. It is only one letter, no need of copying. Still, if you want it, you can copy and paste because of one letter. Don't choose lowercase. Class name is uppercase, file name also uppercase. November batch SRC, file name A. File name A. Composing a simple Hello World program got over. Composing a simple Hello World program got over. You can see in the SRC folder, there is a.java. In the SRC folder, there is a.java. Already I told very clearly, Java C command should be triggered from the place where Java file is saved. Java C command should be triggered. Java C command should be triggered from the place where Java file is saved. Java file is saved in the SRC. You need to trigger Java C command. You need to trigger Java C command only from SRC. Only from SRC. Only from SRC. Select the address bar. Select the address bar. Tilt to SRC. Address bar. Type CMD. Type CMD. Press enter. We reach to SRC. In the command prompt, we are in the SRC. If we trigger Java C command like earlier, A dot class will be generating in the SRC only. Like earlier. Let us see first like earlier. Java C space A dot Java. Java C space A dot Java. Java C space A dot Java. Now check it out. A dot class developing in the SRC only. A dot class developing in the SRC only. Check it out. In the SRC, there will be two files. One is a dot Java, other is a dot class. Shiva, you are done? Some issue? What is that? A dot Java, A dot class in the same location. This is how we compiled in the last session. If we compile like this, class file will be generating in the current directory. Current directory is src, which is allocating to Java files, which is allocating to Java files. So remove the class file. Remove the class file. Remove the class file. Re-trigger javac command by giving some information to javac command. Please follow me. Javac space. Javac space. -d space. Javac space -d. -d. Then space -d space // classes // classes // classes. Give a space. A.java. I read out once again. Javac space -d space // classes. Then space A.java. Press enter. Done, everybody? I repeat once again. Javac is a command. Give a space. Javac space hyphen and d both together. Hyphen and d. Hyphen and d both together. Here d stands for directory. Whenever you are trying to specify different directory, you need to mention hyphen d. Through hyphen d, we are specifying through hyphen d, we are specifying a different directory. Give a space. Mention the directory name. You have to space. Give a space. After space, mention the directory name. Already we know dot dot. Dot dot represents parent to the current src. Dot dot represents parent to the current src. Current folder is src. Dot dot represents parent. Parent to src is a November batch dev. Parent to src is a November batch dev. In the November batch dev, there is a folder called classes. Mention the same. Without any spaces, // classes. This is the folder which we are allocating for the class files. Allocating for the class files. Give a space, mention a.java, sorry, a.java, space a.java, press enter. We will observe more about this command later. Let us see where class file is generated. Where class file generated. It's not generated in the src folder. It is not generated in the src folder. SR, no? Just come back one step up. Go to the parent of src. One step up. Parent of the src. You can find a classes folder. Go inside a classes folder. Javac command it itself generated class file in the specified location. That specified location is the classes folder. We clearly specified to the Javac command. You need to generate your class file in a different location. So let us select and remove. Let us check it out one more time. Remove this class file. Let us re-trigger the command one more time. Let us observe more into the command. Javac space. Everybody. Javac space. Javac space. -d. Javac space. -d. D. -d. -d. Give a space. D stands for directory. There is a fixed option name. That option name is a -d. -d both together. Don't call -d, even though it is a minus symbol. While using this symbol between the numbers, there only you have to use minus. Now you are not using for the number. That is why you have to call this as a -d. So whenever you are using like a 5 minus 3, there use minus word. Here we are not using between the numbers. While using between the alphabets, you have to use a hyphen. -d, then space, specify what is the directory. You are trying to specify the directory. What is the directory? Go one step back. You will be reaching to the November batch. In the November batch only classes folder is there. In the November batch only classes folder is there. Specify the classes folder. Give a space. Give a space. A.java. After specifying classes folder location, give a space, mention Java file which it has to run. Now you can see our first command does not have this content. Our first command was having javac space a.java. Javac space a.java. In the previous session also, we triggered javac space hello.java. Now here, whatever I selected, that we are incorporating. That is a key value pair. Whatever I selected, it is like a name and value. -d is a name. Value is a // -d is a name. // classes is a value. Name with a value. So both should be separated with a space. All are spaces here. Javac space, -d space, // classes space, then a.java. Generally, we will be mentioning javac space a.java. If that is the case, class file will be generating in the current directory. If you don't want in the current directory, Then supply hyphen d, supply hyphen d. While supplying a hyphen d, you need to mention what is the directory. You need to mention what is the directory. Directory name. Directory name. Dot dot slash classes. Dot dot slash classes. Press enter. From today onwards, don't trigger Java C command without a hyphen D. Don't trigger Java C command without hyphen D. Keep using a hyphen D. Specify target location for the class files. Destination location for the class files. What is the destination? What is the target? What is the folder you are assigning to the class files? Java C command should know which folder you assigned for the class files inside your project. Inside our project, we are assigning classes folder for all the class files. Now, you cannot trigger Java command from here. I already said Java command should be triggered from the place where class file is available. Java command should be triggered. Java command should be triggered. Java command should be triggered from the place where class file is available. Java command should be triggered from the place where class file is available. Java command. If you trigger Java command like this, you'll get an exception. Why you will be getting an exception? A dot class not available in the current SRC. A dot class not available in the current SRC. So A dot Java available in the classes folder. We need to trigger Java C command from the place where Java file is there. We need to trigger Java command from the place where class file is there. Now, go to the class file location. Already we know CD, change directory. CD, change directory, change directory. CD space dot dot slash classes. We reach it to the classes folder. Dot dot slash classes. Dot dot represents the parent to current SRC. In that parent, that is November batch DEV, inside that classes folder is there. Directly we reach to classes folder. Now we are in the classes folder. Trigger Java command from the classes folder. A dot class available in the classes folder. A dot class available in the classes folder. Done everybody? I'll show you once again all the commands. Let me close this command prompt. Everybody, I'll show you. Please follow me once again. Close the command prompt. Close the command prompt. Open edit, please. Sorry. Open Explorer. Go to SRC folder. In the Explorer, go to SRC folder. In the Explorer, go to SRC folder. Select the address bar. Select the address bar. After going to SRC folder, select the address bar, CMD, CMD. We directly reach it to the command window for the SRC. Trigger Java C command, space, Java C space, -D space, / classes, space, .java. Everywhere you have to mention space, but not between a hyphen and a D. Hyphen and D both together, then / classes also should be together. This is whole together. Trigger Java command to run class A. If you trigger from SRC, you'll get an exception. Why? Because you generated class file in the classes folder. Class file not available in the current SRC. Class file not available in the current SRC. Class file is not available in the current SRC. Press enter. Class file is not available in the current SRC. You need to go to the classes folder, CD, change directory, / classes, change directory, / classes, CD space, / classes, CD space, / classes. CD space, / classes. Trigger Java command to run class A. Trigger Java command to run class A. Done, everybody. Let us close all the windows once again. Let us develop a new program. Window E, everybody. Window key and E key. Window E. Go to the E drive. Go to the November batch. November batch DV. SRC. In this location, you need to develop Java files. In this location, you need to develop the Java files. Open Edit please. Go to File, New Java. File, New Java. Class name B. Class name B. I can mention like I'm from B. Class name as B. I'm also mentioning I'm from B. I'm from B. Save it as a B.java. Where you have to save? In the SRC. Save in the SRC. B.java. Try saving as a b.java. Let's compile. Compilation should be from SRC. Compilation should be from SRC. Come to the Windows Explorer. Select the address bar. Select the address bar. Select the address bar. Type CMD. CMD. Press enter. We are in the SRC. Trigger Java C command with a hyphen D. B.java. Java C space hyphen D space dot slash classes space B.java. You can check the class file where it's generated. You can check the class file where it is generated. It's got generated in the classes folder, not in the SRC. Go to the November batch, classes folder. B.class developed in the classes folder. B.class developed in the classes folder. Now come to the classes folder. CD space classes. CD space classes. Trigger Java command to run the class B. Trigger the Java command to run the class B. Come to the B.java, everybody. Let's modify this. Control J. Modify B.java. Control J. Control J. Control S. Control S. We modified. For every modification, we need to recompile and run. We need to recompile and run. Recompilation should be done from the SRC. But we are in the classes folder. Recompilation should be from SRC, but we are in the classes folder. Go to CD space dot slash SRC. CD space dot dot slash src. Present. Now re-trigger Java C command with the same way. We recompile. Come to the classes folder. Trigger Java command. You got the modified content. Let's modify one more time. Please observe, guys. Control J, Control S. We modified Java file. We have saved also. Control J, Control S. For every modification, after saving, you need to recompile. You need to recompile. Go back to SRC. Come on. Go back to SRC. Trigger Java C command with a -d. B.java. Come to the classes folder. Trigger Java command to run class B. For every change, you need to recompile from SRC. You need to run from the classes folder. Let me do one more time. Do the change. Control J, Control S. Do the change. Control S. For every modification, you need to save. For every modification, you need to save. Control S. Come back to SRC to compile. Come back to SRC. Retrigger Java C command. Come back to classes folder. Retrigger Java command. Guys, class name C. Single SOP with a name as a test. Control S. Save it as a C.java. Press enter. Let's compile. Put the src. Trigger Java C command. C.java. Come to the classes folder. Trigger Java command to run class C. Trigger Java command to run the class C. Every time, go back to src to compile. Come back to the classes folder to run. For every change also, you should do in the same way. Guys, let me modify C.java. Control S. I modified C.java. Control S. Now, I'll show you a different approach to come back to src. Everybody, first cd space dot dot. Come on. Cd space dot dot. Cd space dot dot. Cd space dot dot. Trigger Java C command, sorry, cd space src. In two steps coming to src from classes folder. In two steps. trigger Java C command with a hyphen D. C dot Java. CD space dot dot. Trigger Java command to run class C. Sorry. CD space classes folder. Then trigger Java command. This is also possible, but 2 steps every time. This is how. This is how we can switch over from SRC to classes, classes to SRC. Let us see one more time. I'm just modifying through Control Z. I just removed whatever new statements we can. Control Z. Control S. Everybody. Go to the CD space dot dot. CD space SRC. We reach it to SRC. Trigger Java C command. Come to the classes folder. In 2 steps, I'm bringing to the classes folder. Trigger Java command to run the class C. This is how we will be separating Java files from a class files. Java files from a class files. Now everybody trigger this command Java C space hyphen help. Please trigger everybody. Guys, Java C space hyphen help. Hyphen help. You're getting several options. Several options. How Java C can be used. Among all, you can see one line hyphen D. Hyphen D, the directory. Specify where to place generated class files. In order to specify the location where class files should be generated, we have to use hyphen D option. By using hyphen D option, we can specify where to place generated class files. In the first day, I showed you usage of hyphen version. You can also go for hyphen version. This line you can check it out. Hyphen version, hyphen version. Java C space hyphen version. Java C space hyphen version. Done everybody? Now, let us see literal. What is a literal? Literal is nothing but a value. Literal is nothing but a value. Values are called as a literals. Values are called as a literals. What are the different types of literals available? Int type of literals, int type of literals. It can be zero, it can be negative, it can be positive. Int type of literals. Literal is nothing but a value. Int type of literals. Please compile and run. So please compile and run. Done everybody? Come to the SRC. Trigger Java C command with a hyphen D. Class name also D. Come to the classes folder. Trigger Java command to run class D. Please check the output. From SRC, trigger Java C command. From the classes folder, trigger Java command. Madhu, what's the discussion? Go and study. Done, everybody? Observe one more point. This is a commented content. It is not a programming statement. It is not a programming statement. It is a commented content. Single line comment. You can provide any kind of description. Single line comment, commented content, description purpose, note purpose. We can comment one line. Single line can be commented through two forward slashes. These two symbols are used for commenting current line. Commenting current line. Any line can be commented through two forward slashes. Under comments, I mentioned the description like int type literals. It can be any number without a decimal. Number without a decimal. Number without a dot. Number without a point. Number, the whole number without any decimal. It can be zero, it can be negative, it can be positive. Treat it as a int literal. Int literal. Come to the next one. Double literals. Even it can be 0.0 also. It can be 3.0. Minus. Please compile and run. Double literals. Become very comfortable. Come back to SRC. Java C command with a hyphen D. Classes folder. e.java. Come to the classes folder. Trigger Java command to run class E. double literal, double literal. Literal, that is numeric value with a decimal. Any decimal, it can be even 0 also. Double value with a decimal. Double value with a decimal. Double value with a decimal. It can be any type of the 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 decimal. Negative value, positive value, double literals, double literals, double values, double values. Come to the next one. You are able to compile run, Shiva? Come to the next one. F class. You can also comment like this. Anywhere, if you keep two forward slashes, then rest of the line will be ignoring, it will be ignoring by Java C command and Java command. Rest of the line ignoring by Java C command. C. No default value for the local variables. Global default is a false. So don't worry all those things. You'll come to know detailed way. Only two Boolean literals are there. Only two. Only two. True and false. True and false. Two Boolean literals. Only two. Only two. Two Boolean literals. Two Boolean literals. Only two Boolean literals. Only two Boolean literals. Only two. Only two. Only two Boolean literals. True and false. So both should be specified with lower cases. Come on, guys. All characters should be in the lower cases. If we consider Python, true T in the uppercase, false F in the uppercase. But in Java, all should be in the lower cases. Boolean. Only two Boolean literals. Only two Boolean literals. And you should not specify under double quotation. You should not specify under double quotation. Try compiling and running. True and false. True and false. Come to the next one. File new Java G class. Please observe. Under single quotation, one character, it is called as a char value. Char literal. Under single quotation, one character. 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 It can be any type of character, lowercase or uppercase. It can be a special character as well. It can be even digit also, but one digit. Lowercase character, uppercase character, even special character, digit. Please compile and run. Yes. Under single quotation, any key from your keyboard. Under single quotation, any key from your keyboard. But one character, one key, one character, one character. Is called as a char type literal. Char type literal. Lowercase alphabet, uppercase alphabet, special characters, special characters. Understood, everybody? Come to the SRC. Trigger Java C command. I didn't save this file. Char literals, char values, char literals, char values. August batch, more and more discussions. Come to the next one. H class, under double quotation, under double quotation. Anything is a string. Under double quotation, anything is a string. Under double quotation, anything, even number also a string, even boolean also a string, one character also string, nothing also a string. Anything, even special characters also strings. Under double quotation, anything is a string. Under double quotation, anything is a string. Anything under double quotation, anything under double quotation is a string. Even nothing also, even one space also, even blank like a spaces, this is also a string. Anything under double quotation is a string. String value. Number under double quotation, number under double quotation, number under double quotation, number under double quotation. Anything under a double quotation is a string. Let's compile and run. You can bring previously triggered commands through up arrow. Previously, whichever commands you have triggered, those you can bring through up arrow. Come to the classes folder. Done, everybody? Go to the one more file, new Java, class name I. This is called as a multi-line comments. You can specify one line or multiple lines. Multiple lines. Single line or multiple lines. Let's go for one line only initially. Later I'll show you multiple lines. Single line comment, multiple line comments. This is the string. This is char. This is the int value, double value, Boolean value. Multi-line comment using for single line. Try compiling and running. Comments starting with these two characters, ending with these two characters. Multi-line comment can also use it for single line. Multi-line comments can also use it for single line commenting. Single line commenting. Starting with these two characters, ending with these two characters. String literal, char literal, int literal, double literal, boolean literal, boolean literal. All I am mentioning in the same line. Copy. Come to the next one. Okay, let me compile and run. Previously, whichever commands you have triggered, get back. Come to the next one. Multi-line comment. Any number of lines. Commenting. Double literal. Char literal. Boolean literal. String literal. I'm printing these three specified. Multi-line comments. Done everybody? So compile and run. Multi-line comment. This complete content ignoring by Java C command and Java command. Whatever content I selected, this complete content ignoring by Java C command and Java command. Only for description purpose, note purpose. These are the different literals available in Java. So try practicing hyphen D fully and the literals. Enough for today. So more concepts are covered very slowly. Anybody can able to re-practice very clearly. It's not a difficult. There is one person, Madhu. He can guide you if you have any kind of problems with a software setup, either software setup or usage of hyphen D option. There is no chance of getting a doubt. Still, if you have any kind of concerns, you can meet him or you can meet me directly. I'll be available throughout the day. And today at 2 o'clock, there is a spoken English classes. And evening at 7 o'clock, again spoken English classes. 2 o'clock, online spoken English. One madam will be explaining how to compose the sentences in the online. And evening 7 o'clock, it is a offline. She will be identifying who really required communication. For them, she will be interacting in the offline. Weekly 3 hours offline classes. Weekly 6 hours online classes. 2 to 3. 2 to 3. Listen. 2 to 3 every day. Online spoken English classes. I'll share the link to you. You can join and attend. And evening 7 to 8 offline. This evening 7 to 8 is weekly 3 hours, weekly 3 days only. So she will be focusing mainly on the people who studied in the remote areas, who studied in the Hindi medium, Telugu medium, Kannada medium throughout high school. For those people, she will be giving more and more personal focus. And aptitude classes will start a little later after 1 week. Now, aptitude trainer, he is taking the classes in the morning 9 to 10. He's a working person. Same at the 9 to 10, my class is also there. There is a clash. I made a request to him to conduct in the evening. See, he wanted to adjust his time in the company. So evening he will be taking after 1 week. So till 1 week, you have to go through this one. And puzzles, like a reasoning classes also will be starting next Monday. That reasoning class is madam, she's also working. She's working in Amazon, having a lot of logical related stuff with her. She will be spending from next Monday onwards daily 1 hour. And daily I'll be taking 2 hours in the beginning, 1.5 months. Technical classes, more classes per day is not recommended in the beginning. After 1.5 months, I'll be increasing my classes. Like 4 hours there may be. After 1.5 months. Initial 1.5 months, daily 2 hours only I'll be taking. I'll make it clear everybody. So each and every person should learn every point. Whatever I told, again and again you have to practice, not like a one time. Please remember, it is not like a college days. In the college days, you will be studying only whenever semester exam is about to start. Definitely you can score 70% going through previous question papers. But here, whatever I am telling, every word, throughout the life you will be using. Every word I am telling, every sentence, every concept, every point. No important, no unimportant. In case of semester exam, you will be going through only important content. That itself sufficient for scoring 70 to 80%. But here everything you have to use in your life. You may be using every concept 10,000 times, 20,000 times. That is why no import, no unimportant. Completely practicing again and again. Got it or not? So you can just go to that site, find out the best place and keep practicing. Each and every person, tomorrow onwards, be here by morning 8:30. Continue till 9 or 9:30 or 10 or 10:30, 11, 11:30. That type of dedication is required. I don't like the people who just wanted to spend formality purpose. You should not like observe whether I'm here or not. No need of whether I'm here or not. You need to study for your life, for your family, for your career. Got it? Don't show any formality things. Show completely dedication, ownership. Even ladies also studying till night 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. That much hard work is required. In the counseling day itself, I told, even though you didn't attend the counseling session, I already shared same video to all the people, first day video. I'm not here for the casual people. I'm here for very sincere, total seriousness. 360 degrees, whatever you required, I'm here to provide. But only the thing is, whatever I'm providing, you should grasp. You should practice. You should reproduce. Got it? Chalo. Enjoy, Karu. All the very best. He's Mr. Madhu. Please stand. Whatever installation problems are there, any small issues, you can ask him. If he is not able to rectify, I'll be here. So subject wise, you can meet me directly. Installation purpose, first you can meet him. If you find any difficulty still, then I'll be taking care. Okay? Enjoy the